Okay, fine. First, I will show you the worksheet which I'm going to teach while our handwriting improvement session. So these are the worksheets which you will get in the handwriting improvement classes. This is the first page. This is the first paragraph which you have to write for the day one, and after the improvement of after the 7 days, you have to write it again here so that we can see the difference. Okay, and we will start from the basic alphabets. Agar aapke, if you are writing in the cursive pattern, so then for that we have cursive style improvement. And if you are writing in the print letters, then we have print letters improvement course also. These are the worksheets. I'm showing you all the worksheets which you are going to do in the handwriting improvement session. We will start with the basic strokes, then how to connect the letters, what are the zones, and what are the rules and regulation for the improvement of your writing. What are the do's and don'ts? You will came to know all these things in the handwriting improvement course. And trust me, within the 15 days, your handwriting will be improved very nicely. And then again, first we will practice the alphabets, then joining the alphabets, how to join the alphabets, then the alphabets in the connectivity, and then the words, some words we will write. And after this, we will start the capital letter. After the capital letter, we will start writing the paragraphs. Fine. And these are the paragraph writings. And this, yes, Rabnoor, what you are asking? Today she will give. If we want to do, we have to pay, especially for workshop. Sorry, I mean for workshop. Yes, you need to register. You need to do registration. You need to be registered for the cash course of handwriting improvement. If you want this worksheet, we'll send the PDF to all the participants. I'm just showing you the worksheet that how I am going to improve your handwriting. In this session, I'm going to show you these things. So these are the worksheet. This is the booklet which you are going to receive in my handwriting course. This is the senior handwriting course for the students after 5th standards, 5th standard onwards. For the 5th standard onwards, this is the course for the 5th standard onwards. And for the junior boys and girls, for the junior students, we have this 4-line book. These are the practice sheets, and again 2-letter words, 3-letter words, and then the sentences. Okay, so this is how we are going to improve your handwriting. These are the worksheets. After this, we have speed writing also. We have speed writing course also. And in the speed writing, we will put alarm. So these are the worksheets for the speed writing. We'll put alarm and note down your timings of completing the one page, and you have to improve your speed. These are the worksheets for speed handwriting. Okay, first I want you to let you know that we have 3 zones for the writing alphabets. This is the upper zone, this is the upper zone, this is the middle zone, and this is the lower zone. Okay, and you have to write the alphabets in the zone only. आप कभी भी कुछ भी लिखेंगे तो आपको ये zones maintain करने पड़ते. See, if you want to write a letter A, then you have to write in this middle zone. Okay, if you want to write D, then your stroke should be from the red line to blue line, from the upper zone to the middle zone bottom. Okay, and if you want to write G, and then again your stroke goes to the bottom line. This is the lower zone. Fine. So this is the upper zone, middle zone, and lower zone. Okay. जब भी आप लिखते हैं, you have to maintain the zones only. यहाँ तो 4-line books है, लेकिन जो 4th standard onwards students हैं, उनके स्कूल में 4-line book नहीं होती है. They have to write in the single line only. I will show you how to write in the alphabets. Should be straight. Then आपका writing ऐसे straight आना चाहिए. Then you need to practice the standing lines and sleeping lines in very neatly manner. Okay, So these are the basic things, like you have to follow the zone, you have to follow the height and width of the every character, every alphabet. And then उसके बाद ये worksheets रहती हैं. We have this worksheet. You have to practice the alphabets, basic strokes, turns, and then gradually after the 15 days, slowly your writing will be improved. It is my guarantee to you all. If you join our workshop, within the 15 days, your writing will be improved. This is the tail stroke. Just make tail and then again C बना के नीचे and then go upwards, turn लेकर बाहर. A, B, C, D. Your hand should be smooth. Your words should be bent towards right. Okay? G. Okay, so now I think you all have done a good job. You all have experienced that how I am going to improve your handwriting. Okay, great. Nivriti, Part, you all have done a good job. You all have learned a lot in today's session. So I wish you all the best.